Ramadan Mubarak! It's Ramadan day 1, guys. And yeah, I'm so excited for Ramadan. Very, very, very excited for Ramadan. I look a mess because I didn't get any sleep. I was praying most of the night and I didn't wake up for Sahri as well. So yeah, explains the bags around my eyes. Everyone's sleeping. You could tell the fast has gone to everyone's head. But Mama's gonna get up in a bit because she needs to cook, because she's invited everyone down for iftar, didn't she? Didn't she, baby? Love you. Okay, so let's go. Basically, Mama is doing her own vlogging, okay? If you guys haven't seen Mama's channel, okay, but if you haven't seen Mama's channel, I will leave it in the description below. Please subscribe, comment, do everything else. Mama, Roja Dera, Khesteda, Dera Granada. Daga mi unako, Sahri mi unako. और खूब नदी करी टोल मंजूर तरावी में करी बिल्कुल न में करी
जो यो कन्फेशन को मां जो यो खबरों को मां भी गया तरावी उन
Astaghfirullah. Mama saying she didn't do a tarawih yesterday. She's saying that she was very tired, but
I was very, very, very tired.
Okay, what are you making, Mama?
Okay, ma Maliha da mix ko raha.
Sariko.
The vada box, the clean food.
Mama Nan. Mama's making dahi baray today.
I bought this box, mix half of the box, leave it for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then I make these little balls, fry them now.
This is the dahi baray then, yeah?
Yeah, this is the dahi baray.
So what do? You just fry it?
Yeah, fry them.
So you spooned it in and you...
But make sure it come like red. If it's not red, it's gonna break easily.
Okay.
Okay.
So it needs to be fully cooked,
Yeah,
well
fully,
done.
yeah.
Boiled 4 potatoes.
Yeah.
And how much chickpeas did you use?
1 can.
1 can chickpeas, okay. Trying to cook quick pasta for the kids because, you know, they need to eat.
Vlogging going on.
All this vlogging going on and shit. All this vlogging.
It's quite browny. Put in these.
What is this?
It's water, just water, just cold water. Moisture is not gonna be hard anymore.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, it's make it soft, isn't it? So they're hard beneath.
Oh wow,
okay, come here.
It's rock solid right now.
Here. You give me a cucumber, dada se cut okay? Or they bandile this khor ke.
She's making the mix for the dahi baray now.
Yeah, because my dahi baray is nearly ready. So for a lugana.
Isn't this like burning your hands?
Yeah, it is burning my hand, but don't try it because I
don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Mama,
the boiling hot tea.
इंसान न दा हैवान दा
बदरंगे इंसान ये मखुज़मा लासुने
हैवान से मतलब ही
हैवान mean animal.
Animal. You just said it's meat. Kanjari. Astaghfirullah. So you just spread this like this, and then she cuts the salad, and then everything else. This is tamarind.
Yeah. The nim yozal dagala nim jodoma. Nim biya fridge ki kedam. Cheso pura pa packet ki bandi. Bazza dona. Da us vede ke vacho bio bowl ke vacho microwave में 3 minutes लगेगा.
And then microwave for 3 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dahi baray में चिदा वाच है ना?
Yeah.
मैं दे मज़ा की.
Wow, this is a very difficult task, boiling pasta.
So I literally put two boxes
of this, yeah.
Put it here, and then I leave like a quarter of box here, okay?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now, 1.
This is sugar.
Yeah. 2 and 2.5 spoon sugar.
Right.
Okay. रखा blend के.
Chunky chaat masala.
Chunky chaat masala ज़ब के दाल चोमा. स्टास अख़बाला मर्ज़ी दा चिता सुबह के कमा या वाच.
You can put any one, but Mama uses this
ज़दा या
one.
वाचोमा. ज़ब के दाल दोना वाचोम.
Okay.
Oh, that's masa puske.
Puske दा बटिक्शी भी आखिर. दा इमली वाला दा दसी ज़दा जोड़ कम. کنیک تاسو دای بلې مساله هم پکې چولی شي very similarly او زه پکې دا اچوم تاسو پکې چې کومه اچوئ هغه واچوئ.
I said it's a very familiar smell.
From who?
At night, in Mum's bed.
Oh!
Chaat masala pekee chola. So,
This flipping pasta won't cook.
okay, mix ko.
Okay, so you just put the mixture in this then?
Yeah. اگر ځکه بیل خلک کوي کنه چې ښه blend شي چینی
Oh,
پکې.
okay.
ټیک شو هغه دې کې mix شو.
So Mama's puts milk in this now.
دونه پکې به milk هم راځي دې کې.
Okay.
دای بلې چې څونه ډېرې
Sweet.
موسچري او دونه پکې لکه رني شامل سوسي رني شامل دغې نو دونه هغې مزه ډېره کوي. ونیسئ لږ به سکویز کې.
Okay, so now they're soft. Oh, wow.
Yeah, داسې سکویز به کې او داسې به خو چې ډېرې پستې نه چې ماتېږي نه ځکه چې دا به یوګټ کې مصورتي بیا چې یوګټ کې نو بیا بالکل چوره چوره شي نو هغه ښه شی نه چې لږ کرنچ پکې که نه نو بیا ډېره مزه کوي. دا وکړله نو اوس لږ شان دی چاټ مساله چاټ مساله هم پرې لږه ودوړوله زه لږ شان دی د لیدمه چې کې پرې داسې سپرینکل کوم مزه کوي دا داسې نري نري به پرې کټ کې ښه ډېر نري نري چې څونه دا نري دونه د دې خوند ډېري خو یو ځای کې نه داسې
I'll move now. So she sprinkled the rest of the potatoes on top of it as well.
Yeah, one on top.
You guys see this whole thing? Look at this. Family of vloggers.
All of the poets.
Okay, now the last step.
This the Emily.
That's
Don't look like Rizak.
Yeah, it's simply.
It look like my diary.
چې د دې نه
I ain't getting a shot of that. Don't get any kind of shot of that.
چې دا ټول املی نه دا ټول
I see them nuts flown about in there.
Oh god damn. You don't need to put any of that on there.
Put that diary on it.
This is
Diary.
Oh, man, come on now. Oh, dust.
we sprinkle a bit we
Diary.
Actually,
And this is the day bale done. Wow.
oh yeah
So good.
دا املی و او املی کې مې لږ شان د مالګه او لږ شان دی دا واچو دا شین مرچ کې دڼیا بس دا لکه واچوله
Samosas homemade, cutlass, chicken, is rice in this, pilau, tamarind, chutney, chorus, dahi baray and chutney. Guys, I'm dying. Time to break my fast.
you're gonna break your fast on camera, is it? Do you?
Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I forgot to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, it's ready to eat. He's fully ready. I know. Yeah, well done. Oh,
Kids are asleep.
the kids are asleep. Sleep. I know. So this is just was cooked now. Wow.
What's this? I don't know.
This pakoras.
But it looks lovely. How many cameras in this room? My
I
one.
know.
Maliha's
Yeah, and see,
Sid's mum's one.
family of vloggers. How funny.
Yeah, because I just said we got this and this. I didn't call them anything.
Unbelievable. Everyone's munching their butts off. These samosas.
touch anything
For God, for.
sit down
This one.
This devil's awake.
you want to eat something
It's gonna give you a 3, 2, 1, okay?
Papa's doing a voiceover.
Hello, my name is Abdullah. Hey, what are you wearing, sweet? What is she looking for? What she got? Oh, she's doing makeup. Ah. Eh? I thought she's going to put her stick in the nose. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, on the nose, on the nose, on the nose. On the nose. Nose look bigger. Yeah, that's I don't like to put a knife, no. Huh? What did you say? Oh, can't say anything. Did you say anything, yeah? That's very nice, that's very nice. No, I can't see that.
Day 1 of Ramadan is done, and I will see you guys next time. Yeah, basically. Bye guys.